guys, it's Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a quick little setup of this super cute TN. I feel like I should be a little bit more prepared. Oh wait, I am. Okay, so I have this TN here. I hauled this in my last haul, which was I think the last video I put up, which was I think yesterday. And I did a little setup just really quick using my Planner Society for my pretty sure April, which was also in that haul. I thought it really paired well. Two different color blues, but I thought they were different enough blues that they looked pretty good together. This TN is a B6. It is from North Branch Leather, which I will link down below. This color is Catalina, and it just came out on Friday, so I think it's still available. She came out with a bunch of different, like, I guess this is kind of like a velvety type, or suede leather, and I got cream stitching and cream elastics and the 3-string. So we'll go ahead and look at this a little bit more as I go into it, but everything that I use is from the Planner Society, with the exception from the wide clips are from K & Co XOXO. So I just put the little bow charm on the front. This is probably one of my favorite bows that have come in the Planner Society because it's just a plain bow, so I can use this any other time as well when it fits a setup. Then I have a pen here, which was in the Planner Society kit. And like I said, this is just a quick one. I did kind of do something similar, like a quick setup using a Mommy Leg kit before. I want to do another one with her most recent kit, which was super cute in the future. And that one I'll actually like fully set up. But this one was just kind of something quick that I wanted to show you. And I like showing you guys these more like simple. Like I think this maybe took me like 15 minutes to set up, just so that you're not like super overwhelmed. Like doing these TNs doesn't have to be like a crazy thing like how my pockets always looked. So I just put the little patch here with the little clip, and again, this is all from the Planner Society. The little plastic B6 insert. What are these things called? Pockets? Dashboards. Dashboards are, Jessica's here. Dashboards are from the Foxy Fix. I really like theirs the best, but you can get them other places as well. And I did cut all of the papers down to size, as well as the vellums, and clip little ephemera on here, as well as doing the little tabs with the washi that came in the kit. And all of my inserts in here are so much crafting inserts. But I just wanted to do a quick flip through of my little setup just to show you guys something a little bit more tame, but I just think it turned out really cute. Really went along with this leather really nicely. I have the acetate, and then in the back pocket I just put the little stickers and another one of the little die cuts. And I also, the pockets I got are full, so she has like 3 different pocket styles, but I liked these ones. I thought they were pretty unique, but I really love the way everything looks, and I just wanted to pop on and show you guys this. And again, I will link the planner down below, as well as the Planner Society, in case you guys want to sign up for that. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.